I want to show you guys how to remove the Oneisall blade. This right here is the clipper I have. Yours might be a little bit different, but it's basically going to have the same exact principle. By the way, if you're also looking for the replacement blade, I put a link below where you can go ahead and find that on Amazon, along with some other awesome products too as well. So make sure you guys check that out. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do is make sure that this is on 2.0. If you have the same kind of clippers that I do, this here is like a little, this is adjustable with it. So make sure you guys have that on 2.0. Next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and take our thumb. I like to use my thumb because it gives more pressure. Right here across this edge right here, that is the metal clippers. Make sure that this here is of course off. You don't want this running right here, especially if you have the rechargeable version like I do. And I'm going to use both of my thumbs and we're going to push it. It's going to feel like that you're going to break it, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. So you just go ahead and kind of push it out towards this way. Push it out this way here. Give a little bit of a push, and it's going to go ahead and take that right there out. Now, when you go ahead and get your replacement blade, you do the exact opposite. There's this little ledge right here. You kind of see the bottom of it. That's going to end up in the inside of here, just like this. Well, it's kind of hard for me to do it backwards, but just like this here, it's going to go on the inside. And basically, you're just going to go ahead and push this back into place. It's going to snap right back into place, just like that for you. So that's how you go ahead and remove the blade and also reinstall the blade right there for the Oneisall clippers for your dogs and cats.